Is America about to pull off the biggest trade hustle in modern history? Buckle up, because time is ticking, tariffs are about to explode, and the White House is putting the squeeze on the world, with a July 9th deadline looming like a hammer. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent says America is on the verge of locking in several trade deals before a tsunami of higher tariffs hits global markets. Bessent teased on CNN's State of the Union that President Trump is about to unleash a wave of letters to 100 smaller countries, giving them a crystal-clear message: play ball, or get smacked with tariff rates that have been lurking since April 2. And get this, those same tariffs were paused for 90 days, giving everyone a breather, but that break ends July 9th. Bessent basically said, look, if you're still dragging your feet, these rates will bounce back on August 1st. Suspense? Check. Chaos? Double-check. Trump's tough tactics have already triggered a global trade war, scrambling economies from Europe to Asia. But who's going to blink first? Bessent tried to calm the panic, saying August 1st isn't some new doomsday, but a serious, this is when it's happening, moment. No more extensions. No more delays. Over on CBS, White House advisor Kevin Hassett cracked open a bit of wiggle room, hinting maybe, just maybe, the deadline could slip if countries are really negotiating. And while Washington talks tough, Hassett told CBS, there's still hope, there are deadlines, but there are things close, so maybe things will push back. Sounds like high-stakes poker, doesn't it? Who will fold, who will bluff, who will get burned? Stephen Moran, head of the Council of Economic Advisors, added a twist on ABC's This Week: countries better cough up concessions if they want better deals. Moran's exact words: I hear good things about Europe. I hear good things about India. So the suspense builds. Will these talks actually stick? Right now, Trump's team is staring down 18 key trading partners that make up a whopping 95% of America's trade deficit. But some of these partners are stalling, hoping, maybe, that Trump will blink first. Thailand, for instance, is racing to avoid a 36% tariff, offering more U.S. market access and even Boeing jets. And meanwhile, India could sign a mini deal in the next 48 hours, slicing its average tariffs down to 10%. And Vietnam? They're basically handing Washington a sweetheart deal, letting America slap tariffs on their exports while sending U.S. goods in tariff-free. Trump's advisors are calling it fantastic, even if it sounds wildly one-sided. But let's be real, Trump has already threatened a terrifying 70% tariff hammer for those not willing to deal, even though no one has seen that in the official paperwork. So here we are, a deadline roaring closer, countries scrambling, and the global economy holding its breath. Will Trump's trade roulette pay off? Or will the world plunge into even more chaos? Stick around, subscribe to this channel, and don't miss the next chapter in this insane economic roller coaster, because things are only getting hotter from here.